Very good morning to parents. My name is S.A. Prabhaharani. My school name is Avadi Corporation Primary School, Kovil Padagai. Before starting my speech, let me quote for order. Power is given only to those who dare to lower themselves and pick it up. Only thing that matters is to be able to dare. When you see Superman, Spider-Man, Wonder Woman or any superheroes, there is one thing that is common among them all. Other than power, any guesses? Usually this particular quality was ignored by the people who are in power. It is none other than responsibility. Me or any kid of my age, for the matter, when questioned what will they do if they had superpower, the answer would be, I will fly in the air, I make a chocolate mountain. I go to all the places I want. I am no different from them. And they said, same answer to my mom. And she told, dear, your parents are take care of you and fulfill your needs. There are millions of kids who lost their parents, families, education, food because of violence, disaster, superstitious and so on. You should know with great power comes great responsibility. Hence, we have to take responsibility and protect the world without being selfish. After that conversation, there is only one thing. There is negatively impact our world. Unsurprisingly, I ended up having an endless list of causes such as war, caste, disaster, female infanticide, sexual harassment, religious atrocity, child molestation. As I said, it was endless. So what else did I need to have to save my people from all this suffering? I could not arrive at a single power which can solve all problems. Suddenly, I was changing my old photograph with new one in my diary, the glowed bulb in my brain. Yes, I very superpower. I need to deroot all this problem from all the society's change. Change of attitude, knowledge, value, customs and norms can turn your society upside down. The root cause for all this problem start from our brain, our mind cells, false norms we were made to believe in. It's our obsession over the past and our adamantly against change that break the chain, irrational source, the result in all the above social problems. I am not blaming our history and ancestors, but context and change. Hence, as superpower, the power will be ability to make change using which a peace-driven government avoiding war, a responsible society, take care of the downtrodden, a mature world, treat men and women equally, superior civilization that follow rational customs. Finally, people love the Mother Earth and protect the environment they live. After that, only one thing that is left to do. That's giving me a name. The name would be Ultra Pro Change. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity. I wish really had to make this world better place.